Hello, welcome to Origami Club. Today I will show you my experience for making a flying seabird. Maybe we can imagine it's a duck or it's a goose. So it's flying. It is made with a simple small piece of square paper. So I will make another one. You will learn it. Okay, it's quite easy. I put it will fly here. So I will pick up a piece of white paper. So regular letter size paper, 8.5 by 11. You can choose any size paper you want. Smaller or bigger, it doesn't matter. Firstly, I need to cut it into square shape, from rectangular shape to square shape. If the cutting is not perfect, don't worry, because all the edges will be folded inside. So this is the square paper that I cut, and I will fold to triangle. Then I will fold. There is two triangles, 1, 2. 1, 2. So I will fold one of them, this edge, the shorter edge to the longer edge. I fold like this. You can fold any side. This side also, at this side also. So, okay, I change my mind. I fold this side. Fold. And then we get a bigger triangle, this sharp triangle and this small sharp triangle. And now I'll rotate paper. I'll align this edge to this edge, this corner to this corner. I fold. Okay, after this, there is a step a little bit difficult. Observe me carefully. So I open this edge, I fold it back, align this edge to bottom, and then I will open it. I will open from here. So I get this triangle. And then I open this triangle. I open it to get a big triangle. And then I will make some lines. I make a line firstly like this. And secondly like this. And then I will also make a line this way. And this way. Okay, I will return to the square shape. So here there are some difficulties. So watch my fingers carefully. I fold this back, this part. So the line and this sharp triangle back and front to make this edge more softer. And then I will fold from here this triangle inside or outside, no problem, just fold it. Okay, then I will push this triangle inside and I will pull this triangle to bottom. I get this very sharp long triangle. This side same way, I will drag and push the side so I get this shape. Okay, so I adjust a little bit and then I will fold this sharp triangle, the long edge align with the center, this line. So I fold like this. This side same way, I fold outside and I roll it up. Now I will open it. So observe here, I can put my finger inside and I will open it. I will, with my finger, push here. I will push also like this. I get a polygon like a spear, so very sharp. Okay. Here also, because you can see here, I can open. So I will open. I will push this outside. Push this outside. Oh, it's from here, not from bottom, from upside. Open it like this way and adjust from here. Get this shape. I repeat again because it's hard here. So before it was this shape and this shape, and then there is here is open from up. So I will pull out this side and I will push from here. See, okay, so I get this shape. Now I will just fold it together and I will adjust here the bird legs. This part will be the bird legs. I fold half here, the backward also, and then I will open from here. I open, and then I will collapse it, and I will fold from side. Here is a little bit hard, but the finger is hard, but the technique is not hard. So I fold from in here, you see. And this side also, same technique. And then I will, from the point here, I will push the point. Okay, so this is the legs. When the big bird, the seabird, when they are flying, their leg is to the backward. And now I will fold a little bit here. Fold this way. I also fold from here. if you feel hard to fold this step, you can just directly go to the next step. It doesn't matter. So, okay, I get this shape, and now I push here to inside. And then I will push back. I will push back. Okay. So I get this shape. And now I will make the head of my bird. I fold it inside and then outside. And then I make head from here. Okay. The head should be a little bit bigger. Okay. Okay. So this is the head, is ready. Now what I need, I will make the wing beautiful. I will fold this way, this way, this way, this way. I will fold like this. 1, 2, up, down, up, down. Okay, just a moment. Up, down, up, down. Okay. So this side, same way. Same way. So up, down, up, down, up. Not the whole part, just this line. I will just fold this line. Up, down, up, down, down. So continue as far as you can. Okay. So for this moment, the flying seabird is ready. Okay. You can imagine it. You can imagine it a duck or goose. So now is the end of March. The snow, that is not goose. I don't know how to, what is called in English. So in French is or the neige. Let me check my dictionary. Oh, also goose, snow goose. Okay, yes, the snow goose is coming. So they are usually white color. Okay, so it is beautiful. Huh? This is his baby. Okay, so put it on the table. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.